In today's video, I'll teach you how to go live on Facebook. So if you want to go live on Facebook, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you open the Facebook application, at top, you'll be able to find this option for what's on your mind. From here, you'll be able to create the new post, so simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to create the post. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options like photo or video, tag people, feeling or activity, etc. Right at fifth, you'll be able to find the option for live video. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the live interface. You'll be able to access various settings options related with live over here. You can choose the audience. Right over here you'll be able to see the audience that is selected right now. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the audience. Tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the options like flash off, unmute mic, rotate, stickers, enhance off, text, etc. You can adjust the settings according to your choice. Likewise, you'll also be able to select if you want to share it on the story or not. Simply tap on the option share to. Now you'll be able to select if you want to share to story or not. Likewise, you'll also be able to add the description. Also, you'll be able to invite the people. For that, tap on this icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to invite the people to join on live. Likewise, you'll also be able to tag a brand partner. Also, you'll be able to create the poll. Also, you'll be able to access other settings. So simply adjust the settings according to your choice. After you're done, tap on this option go live that you can see on the screen. So that is how you go live on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.